Akufo-Addo. The whole of Africa. The president
in terms of
development, infrastructure development.
Okay.
Okay? In terms of human capital development.
Human capital development.
Nobody in Africa.
54 states of Africa.
Yes, nobody. And they say, the time you talking about since I Africa.
Hey, Jomo Kenya.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagana and Sam TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Dan, if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Or text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Kwayedi or baby agenda MPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Lad Mawumia president. Now also the upper by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi you were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Lad Mawumia ma de na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye mprint ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software, or your ordinary Ghanaian, or your educationist, or your medical doctor, or your one once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I did be a home bachelor.
Akufo-Addo. The whole of Africa. The president.
In terms of
development, infrastructure development.
Okay.
Okay? In terms of human capital development.
Human capital development.
Nobody in Africa.
54 states of Africa.
Yes, nobody. And they say, the time you talking about since I Africa.
Hey, Jomo Kenyatta, Nelson Mandela.
Obiani one more way the Akufo-Addo.
Oh, okay.
When him, Adebia Benwa, umpe. Adebia Ben will be an umpe.
But Nyaboche just a while ago. Now can in political communication come MPP call?
Okay. We any pa. Any pa, no can say, which my papa be but diki to be. I want control, a bit to me and destroy my papa or in.
Okay.
I'm
getting you.
Hey, Akufo-Addo. About infrastructure. Africa.
Human development.
Yes. Look at this. Agenda 111 now.
Hospitals.
110.
111.
111. Oh.
Yes.
One crack home.
111.
111.
Yes.
Hospitals. Give me one. President or take that initiative. I'm building 111 hospitals in Africa. Give me one. But what talking about factories, no person. Springing all over the country.
One district, one factory.
One factory. Look at the number of them. There's so many, about 100 and something. What I say? What they are to about road infrastructure? Say, you can just check around. Maybe I want to on one time on the other say we are on Ghana. But when you drive around the whole country, then you see. Baby ana kwan near omde kwan beto to one. He has done extremely well. Okay? What they are not to come to education, infrastructure. Call all the secondary schools in Ghana, especially those boarding. Over no see dormitories. We call Kumasi Academy. We call Osetutu Secondary School. We call UCC Senior High. We call Efiakobi Senior High. Baby abekobia new dormitories and classrooms. We guys are there especially be a new schools. Oh, The existing schools, go and see additional infrastructure or see.
Okay.
Look at the STEM education. Look at TVET education. They are all up to human development.
Right.
Okay? Free SHS for 8 consecutive years. Say a man crap school, senior high school for free. Uniform at their name.
Chief, yeah, okay. The next is a Ghana. Yaya Bonuya to Kufado and
no. Any part. Okay. Any pursuit. I will not say be a Ghana for a Bonuya. I know I will not say. Okay. But it's any pursuit. Because
was it the whole Africa?
But yes,
54 states.
May say Adia Kufado ayen. And now
not even Mandela.
Mandela then why? What I say, Mandela is over the prison.
Okay.
We're talking about so be a man impacting the life of the people.
Okay, not Mugabe, not Nnamdi Azikiwe, not Kwame Nkrumah, not
everybody.
Number one,
me so pia, me dia, me so many afi.
Of course.
Me nim dia mahu, me tu kwan, me nim dia mahu. Na mahu, na me ready.
Okay.
Na mahu dia obi eye.
Ede ne nsa, ene ne ho, ene ne kra akwose saa asem we mu. Na ebia nyame mu
be on Ghana mekano. Ehia wa abraho bi. Social na papa nurse can be ye can one ba hwa because benefit no pen no motiase. Picketing ne demonstration ne no language o motiase ano no. Enti fa ho jim bi. Because at the end of the day no me posting e ebo am emfa me ho. Ha wo ni we hia on so ba ho. Ti e de be ka ho asem. Or it's up to you to show up. What's in common ase. It's mon share because posting no yes.
So be aka say we should go and sell indomie. Ono ne ba to indomie. Ye na ka se be to indomie Ghana how when they be go school, when they be nurse, when they be midwife ni. So annoying and frustrating. We should turn to armed robbers or we should turn to prostitutes. What exactly is the problem? The government must do better. Yeah, bring a need free. Our parents will suffer, thinking that at the end our kids will come and take care of us, and we are still home, still begging our parents for food. Why? I don't need a caricature. I want me them. What is it? What is it? Minister can't do something or do something. They don't go and sit on stations and be telling us that me pass mo omo be post mo just can best be post mo. Oba otifie. It's your child at home. It's how you go around talking as if you don't have empathy for nurses. Abba aden. It's not fiato. You want us come and go in the media and be crying, be looking for pity. Oh, when we're paying the school fees and we're paying the money to the ministries, you didn't do it this way. But do some of them, will you fulfill your part of the promise? No, but than if you once. Yanko kana munkasi muadie. What are move you once? Recruitment move you once. Aden. Since when did posting become like this? Is this how our seniors were posted? Catch us a yan ye post here. Yan sanko interview. Aden, I'm from Mamon Crawford. Yan can catch us any evidence. And people are selling slots all around. And Mano can ya mobo. Mamenka. Oh.
Na botra kraba. Enya bobo ya pragia. Ni enya ho president or inspector sadia we. Na minta kando di animu. E di asem a ye de pragia tricycle aba ye de kosa ya de awukurase. Knowing very well say nkurase kwan bebre nya.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Ye wo ba bia sa bobo ya no entimi nko. Ana nipa no ya de no hia comfort. Because ambulance kofa obi a what the oxygen esilipa no so. Sane be nipa no betime nya home. Ni atimi rush ne de adu the nearest hospital. Abobo ya no oxygen wo. Sa tricycle no oxygen wo. Tricycle no wo bi oyade no obetimi adam ama ne ho ato no. Sa Ghana yem painfo yade a ye do omu sie du prem kwa buruchire no tricycle ne betimi sa pepepe.
Hey, President Mahama.
Yeah, because NDC appointees, ministers, CSOs, omo yade chief executive officers, omo yade sabi yamfo munsi sa pragianum. I don't want to believe some entire candle. Neba yade sa pragiano and abobo yano na den beko hospital. Flight pam not den kwa bruchire. Enti ya e wo from ho ye won kronkuma mu ne de sabi kwa apia ne aboa ye moa. Enti mo mfa pragia me dada he say ye dia de papa bi aba e dia de a free primary health care. Ye ni so di hu. Na ye dia me back kwa bena 8 years akraba ba nya sa ni so di hu ni bi o. Wei say na mamu no te de a ene ye Ghana to no me back kwa bena 8 years ye mfa ma no obeye bibia kama won fa pragia ma. Bahama. What the yaka? Akraba adia ba ko ma san dia ba ni say 24-hour match.
sikan kunda dada eno asa amasoma udifo na mama musika no matumi ka ba akoko mini ba bi ote e Virginia brochia kura bi ase eben Washington DC Washington State ni mama ma ko ne sikan ku no simple no bi jubilate wa mo NDC fo nkwasi afo mbesunsu no masu obey disease osuro mini ntimi hu se me mo bi akoko no
what is the basis mujina so and they increasing light bill the water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so ni wansa ni amani ngina ba form it is just so no busa this question well musame out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say
legitimate question.
He did not ask out of ignorance.
Me patcho man kasa he asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance. Me say man kasa me tell on my dia me can say me say my men na some na papa na some na okay. That's what most people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, asamna okano, interest enyama bo enkosru.
But the
okano want it or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear me, or my car, me, and I two man that make her say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, Partisan can yama bono ever from, but Yamusa was a public air and a crime mine. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano creti and other environment. But say individual entity near Maso, a bank to me petrol.
Is right.
So at the end of
what I
say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea.
Argentina, Sanyama way in every. Abina and the Nasa Bonton so for Nigeria. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kweti as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kofi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?